Hi, this is Kanu from Gurukulam. Today we are going to study the first chapter of 8th standard science, crop production and management. I will read the book. I think you will follow. Paheli and Pooja went to their uncle's house during the summer vacation. Their uncle is a farmer. One day they saw some tools like khurpi, sickle, shovel, plough, etc. in the field. I want to know where and how we use these tools. We have learned that all living organisms require food. Plants can make their own food themselves. Can you recall how green plants synthesize their own food? Animals, including humans, cannot make their own food. So, where do animals get their food from? But first of all, why do we have to eat food? You already know that energy from the food is utilized by organisms for carrying out their various body functions such as digestion, respiration, and excretion. We get our food from plants or animals or both. You have studied all these things in the 7th standard. I hope you remember most of it. Since we all need food, how can we provide food to a large number of people in our country? Food has to be produced on a large scale. In order to provide food for a large population, regular food production, proper management and distribution is necessary. What are the things necessary in order to provide food for a large population? Regular production, proper management and distribution. കറക്റ്റായിട്ട് പ്രൊഡ്യൂസ് ചെയ്യണം, ക്രോപ്സിനെ മാനേജ് ചെയ്യണം ആൻഡ് പ്രോഡക്ട്സ് നമ്മുടെ ഗ്രാംസും സീഡ്സിനെയൊക്കെ ഡിസ്ട്രിബ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്യണം പ്രോപ്പറായിട്ട്. Now, agricultural practices. Till 10,000 BCE, people were nomadic. They were wandering in groups from place to place in search of food and shelter. They ate raw fruits and vegetables and started hunting animals for food. Later, they could cultivate land and produce rice, wheat, other food crops. Thus was born agriculture. How agriculture born? First, people were hunting animals for food. Then they started cultivating land and produced their rice, wheat, and other food crops. This is how agriculture was born. Now we can study what is a crop. When plants of the same kind are cultivated at one place on a large scale, it is called a crop. For example, a crop of wheat means that all the plants grown in the field are that of wheat. You already know that crops are of different types like cereals, vegetables, and fruits. These can be classified on the basis of season in which they grow. India is a vast country. The climatic conditions like temperature, humidity, and rainfall vary from the region to another. Accordingly, there is a rich variety of crops grown in different parts of the country. Despite the diversities, both broad cropping patterns can be identified. These are Kharif crops and Rabi crops. We will study this in the next class. Bye bye. All the best.
Crop production by Kanu. What is a crop? When plants of the same kind are cultivated at one place on a large scale, it is called a crop. What is agricultural practices? Cultivation of a crop involves several activities undertaken by farmers over a period of time. These activities are called agricultural practices.